How to pin an exe file to the taskbar under Windows 11. If I simply drag it, it's not allowing me to drop it there. The icon is not there. So to pin it to the taskbar, right click on it, go to show more options. Here we can see the old menu, and this one has pin to taskbar. If I click on pin to taskbar, the icon will appear here. Pin to taskbar, and it's there. There is also the new menu, pin to start. You can try that one. Pin to start, and it was added here. Just in case it does not show up, but you are given the option to unpin from start, then right click on the start button, go to task manager, and on the processes tab, find Windows Explorer, right click on it and restart it. And after restarting Explorer, the entire taskbar will restart also, and in that case your icon can show up.